ke tlo find out ka 2006 gore le dlala le paile 2004 e le dlala laka 2004 5 ke tlo tseba 2006 ha sa baisa team kona ntshaela ngore wa tseba o nendlo lapha ne Crystal Park ha unginendlo e Crystal Park ayingiya lapha mangifika lapha ngithola kunabantu abahlalayo lapha bapatala rent labantu bapatala rent kubani they're not paying rent to me. Who are they paying rent to? That's when I find out kile ko Durban ko tswa gymming ko fleteng ko Plomang go fihla envelope ngwe brown e pampiri tse dintse ka
Kolota.
ke kolota tšhelete ngwe ngata bo yer ngata bona wa yes lives wala khamfuthi.
Good day and welcome to Sports Geek with the Spanel Ngobo and
Lebodi Tlhake.
oh yes, so this is the sports show where anything and everything that is a sports related goes. If you're watching us for the first time, please do not forget to do the honorable thing, subscribe, like, comment, and even better, share this episode. Like they always say, the more the merrier. To our today's guest, oh boy, we do not disappoint any time. And today's episode is definitely no exception. Our guest, just to give you some smallanyana a background, he's here. He will tell us anything and everything about him and his background. But I'll just Shama Halamoz, top high level background. I believe he started his career with Benoni Premier United. That was way back in 2006 up to the end of 2007. And then 2007, what decided to change, and then he relocated Lapana KwaZulu Natal. Welcome Tania, eThekwini Kakasin. Welcome Pana. Lafika wangena khona what nje khalakasha what sebese sign Lapana. Nayo belo Thanda Royal Zulu. In so doing, he got himself to have that relationship with the royal blood of KwaZulu Natal laphana indlu yesilo sikhuluma ngayo laphana Thanda Royal Zulu wabe sethi wayitseking I'm done kaMaZulu Natal, I'm going back to Gauteng Maboneng ngalondlela. Then was bona laphana so signal Jomo Cosmos ezenkosi iyami awadlalela laphana iqembu lakhe laphana umjomana towards the twilight of his career. Obesezibona laphana sekhishima kuyona laphana Orlando Pirates esemnyama ngenkani zikaMakhebhula zaKhebhula umhlaba kaMasipala sawushiya uMapeketwana. Ladies and gentlemen, help us welcome Katlego Loke.
Sure manis.
Yes, Tin Baba.
Shabu kunjani baba?
Sikhona.
Logs.
Ojang manis.
Scooter.
Scooter, motorbike.
Yeah.
Mshawushile.
Yeah, nickname yami Scooter.
Ayikumele vele. Uyayibona futhi nebhodi. Still the
Yeah,
sporting job.
yeah, nje Scooter sehamba ngisho.
Uyihlaba lapho ku-empty space. Awuyibeke enyaweni.
Yeah.
Enyaweni uyihlaba ku-empty space. Ohlangana nayo ngale.
Uzambo.
Shababa. Just for the benefit of our viewers, I was trying to laphala nge background inyana ukuthi Katlego Loke, where was he born and bred?
Kere dumelang to your viewers bofethu Sports Geek viewers go dumedisa le wena ngwaneso.
Siyabonga.
Lebza ngwana.
Alala.
Yeah, sure tsiyam go mrawda. Katlego ke out ya Lesotho. He was born in Lesotho.
Yes.
1979.
Yes.
The 13th of June. Ka hlahela Lesotho out here. Mafeteng to be specific. Ona le tropo ra ba re ke Mafeteng.
Yo.
Okay.
Last number.
It's about Maseru fela.
Last number.
Yeah, let's Maseru fela. The capital city. You know the capital city.
Ke a tsebanyana oboqhasha snack aboqhothing.
Yeah, mo la ke go dithabeng so le fere too much.
After Maseru. Last number. Akira wana ya dlaleng o betsa Van Roy.
Ka Van Roy.
Yeah.
Ka Blomo ke Van Roy ke fihla.
Last number.
Pela from Blomo ya Mafeteng it's only an hour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's only an hour. So
Just to justify into ke batla o chala yone. Bo. You don't play around with motho Mafeteng.
Yeah, Ibalo.
I go feel it.
Yeah.
So
Isithunya ke Mriane. Baloya ka.
Sibona lo breka ho rafula. Strong. For strong.
Po.
Mamela bro ka mola badlali.
Tseni
Ba ke Gauteng abo tsetse ga bo bantu. Wa tseba bantu FC.
Okay,
yeah, this guy Lekwane
yes,
for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, unadlala Kaizer
Chiefs.
Yeah,
unadlala la go Bantu, and then he played for Matlama.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I know Matlama.
Yeah, I mean to say Majanja ke Mahalisuk after Mafte. Yeah. Yes. So Katlego ke out here even though Ukevaile Mnyana was very young. I get Samaya ko Lesotho, moved to Velcom Free State. Yes. So ko Free State ke kona ke holetseng ko teng ko Velkom.
Di
Bona ko di mining. Yeah, so I moved
Go Beatrix mine.
what it's so yeah,
danger to danger.
danger ke ntho tsa ka.
It's more like jumping from the frying pan straight to the fire.
So yeah, I was born ko Mafuteng. But even though ke vaile ke sa le monyane, mare that's home. That's home, yeah.
I believe your parents bahlukene, omunye South African, omunye Mosotho.
For sure. Olidilaka originally she's from Germiston.
South African.
Yeah, ke South African.
Msotho, I suppose.
Ke Msotho. Yeah, ke Msotho mara Basotho ba Gauteng.
Okay.
So o kopane le time on motho di mining. Wa bona ke go tseba batho ba Lesotho go fela ga fela di zamazama. So ba kopane, then she was married, then she had to move to Lesotho. Then that's when I ke hlaetseng ko teng. And then yeah, life in Lesotho was difficult. There were no opportunities, nothing back then. Nothing at all. It's either let's scale something because it was difficult because house patala school fees, you can't go to school. So yeah.
Molora also blind him.
House patala school fees, bro, I can't go to school.
Hey.
Yeah, about stop about scale. But funny enough, about stop school, my dispose de balata go dlala ball.
I was selective.
Yeah, it was selective. Where go, so they will stop you not going to school because of our patala school fees. But kabolo balata ke dlala the following day I get school view. So I wonder it doesn't make sense.
So you're not going
So we remove Lesotho. Only the time I don't know what happened because the time like ona le basadi ba bangata wa tsema time ba go
Oh, bagdala plus.
akere ona le village la mo dominitang se ne meloke wa bo. So in that village time like ene le yena sort of morena ba beile yena ebe morena
Yeah, mononal blood.
but the royal blood or via the eternal jigile so what's the use of being a royal blood mari bo patala ka nku. Well, one of it doesn't make sense, bro. So yeah, then Oledi then Avaya, Mahatsa my Ursile Ronald Masestroga Kubalini
Left Lesotho, came back to South Africa.
Yes, he came back to South Africa because Nasa Khatis, I think
His team.
His team. Sabafas by 5.
And
then she was the last one. In was what we 5.
was
so I think she was fed up, and then she left, and then have I also so ko dlaleng really 5 to my ko le laga really 5. Ba ngata o tla time na le bana ba ngata jwang. So ko le laga really 5. So 3 tlhokofetse re setse re le 2 le sister wa ka spana mo Klerksdorp ko Ogni. Le Olido Saldeng. The rest ba ile ba tlhokofala wa bona. So and then Olido move atla ka mo ko bona jigi then sa le ko Velkom, and then she came back to Lesotho and then a tlogolata. Bona so slanda le Lesotho.
Batwana ba ma ayeng.
Yeah, then that's how we moved to Velkom. Not yet go Jozi because unasa spana go Velkom.
Go mining.
Yeah, unaspana ku kitchen tsa maburu da.
Okay.
So then we moved to go Velkom manisuka. I think it was 1993. Yeah, 1993.
So once go Mvela ya no let's from Lesotho lo geleza go Velkom.
Lo geleza go Velkom.
Be le dula ka Thabong.
Go dula ka Plemo go Thabong. Plemo go Thabong na le strategy ba ka Nkwane road. Strata sa Lebuso la Sundowns.
Go file go bo AD le Malinga.
BFS, yeah, Malinga zo ka Themba. Yeah, na le Malinga ne rena 2 streets away from Charles Mutlui.
Papig.
Yeah, Papig. 2 streets away from Konike Bloma go Ting, then Papig that side, and then Malinga. So yeah.
Papig ki man ke
Charles Mutlui, yes.
Okay, mo besa ka VIN number. Ba se faka.
So Charles Mutlui.
Yeah, then we moved to there go Velkom. And then go Velkom scale wise that fihla so you have to go back 2 grades.
Gomrao are how qualify
Lesotho phela on Afrikaans.
We are Free State no gal, the heart of Afrikaans.
Lesotho channel
sa spelling everything.
Oh, understand that spelling phela. Wa bona D
na le bo L le bo tsang D.
LI lo na I wa bona bontse so. So ke tsona ntse nyamisitse nna ka sekolo se ka bona ka di le motse ngata sonze ke tlela morao.
Okay, considering that unegazi le South Africa negazi I believe national team yaseLesotho ibizwa
Dikwena,
Dikwena
yeah.
unegazi le Bafana
Yeah.
from your mother's side unegazi la Dikwena from your father's side. If you are to be given an opportunity without any foreign influence from your mother or from your father, wena as Katlego Loko, wena nje enhlizweni yakho inhliziyo yakho ikubani if Bafana were to lock horns le Dikwena?
To be honest, Bruaga, because like I said, Lesotho, there were no opportunities.
Yes.
Sports in the
Not that big.
yeah, we understand that. So, I got a chance to play for the under-20 national team at this South Africa.
Oh, yes.
So, yeah, I'll definitely choose Bafana. I'll choose South Africa because that's where
You started.
I started.
Your football roots
Football,
are with
yes.
Bafana, South Africa
For sure.
You've just mentioned that you played for under-20 national
Yeah.
team and the coach at the time.
Okay. Augusto Palacios.
Oh, Njanje.
Yeah, because my move to come to Gauteng, I came via Yena Palacios because I was playing for. There was a team called Shamrock Flowers, Kronstadt. So that team was owned by Steve Rombel.
Oh,
but
okay.
by that time, Steve Rombel was in Turkey.
Yes.
He was still in Turkey in 1998. So I was playing for that team. I was coached by Leonard Ponwan. There was this coach here. I think he even coached for Celtics.
I remember that. Yes.
So ulampona ku Velkom go dlala di challenging yana tse tsa rona go kasi and then
Ubakunya from the right flank.
oh I won. So Ankara, so then I moved to Kronstadt, and then go Kronstadt, that's when Palacios saw me there, and then I came to Jozi 1998, since 98 up to today. So
Kumvela how many years?
Habang ka Kumvela, I was where Kronstadt.
Where Mozolo?
Oh, Mozolo, I think I was 15. And go Shamrock Flowers.
Okay.
And then go Shamrock Flowers in Elima Khodman Bakhru. At that time it was two streams. It's NFD.
Coastal.
It was coastal and inland.
Inland.
So that Shamrock Flowers was playing in the coastal because they used to travel to Kimberley, all of those games. So that as I never played because I was young and in Elima Khodman, but Nigidula Tlapa also.
Okay.
Ki Jimal Bona, ki dlala different game. So like Nabang Khudis. And then there was a time the Masters tsa Gauteng. The Laladi Masters tsa Free State. That's when we were the curtain raisers there. That's when Palacios saw me playing there, and I was selected out of Majitaba and Lalada. Then I was invited to come to Gauteng. Had Kolo di Kwalo ka 1998 November. Then that's how I came to Gauteng at 98.
Then after that,
Pirates.
Pirates.
So wakufika ku Pirates development. Le botso Vilakazi, bo Thabang Stemere then now Thabang Khatebe then now is Thabang Stemere the goalkeeper yes so Vilakazi, Thabiso Petlele, Philani Kubeka. So those are the guys big bathuts in reserve team ya Pirates.
Okay.
Then that's how I started Diski playing go Pirates development 1998 1999 same Pirates. I was promoted to the first team together with Botso Vilakazi, Thabiso Petlele, Yena Thabang Khatebe, now Stemer. So we were promoted to the first team. Yes, 1999 together with Botso. But unfortunately, I never got a chance to play. So that's how I came to Jozi Ngwaneso. That's how I came to Gauteng.
Now go Pirates to operator from the right flank.
Go Pirates and Nigidala is a striker.
Okay.
Yeah, Nigidala is a striker and go Orlando Stadium, original Orlando. It was packed, bro. I didn't read trials. It was packed, but it only took me 2 minutes. Then only one run, one finishing. Then
that's good.
Palacios was crazy. Yeah. Yeah, this one. My journey started there, bro.
And then when you got to the first team, I believe you had to compete with the likes of your Abo Joseph Ngaki and stuff.
Steve Lukwili, Joseph Ngaki. There were so many. Brendan Silent, Warren Lewis. It was tough. It was tough. So it was tough because coming from the development. Steve Lukwili wa chase bro. Joseph Ngaki wa chase. Who is this boy who's gonna break through? There was a time thinking, now is my chance. I'm gonna play. Steve Lukwili, I think he was injured, but then they took Brendan Silent. They played Brendan Silent on the right. But Brandon Silent used to play in the center. Yeah, but they played Brandon Silent on the right. And then there was a time again, Joseph Ngaki was injured, and then I thought, now it's my turn again. They took Warren Lewis, the white guy. They played him on the left. Then that's when, and then after that, the Joseph Makanyas, the Gifted Release, the Cheese Boys, they were promoted from under 19 straight to the first team. And then they played before me. Then that's when I saw, I'm not going to play more.
Considering that you had some Lesotho roots, you came from Eligo, Smolanyana, Velkom.
Yeah.
Coming to Joburg, Ugo Pirates, that's the big team. Itleti the Clever Soweto and stuff. Considering good Ukona lap and all these players are being brought in, how was the relationship between the local guys? Was there any division, more teaming or bandululan or discrimination or ama groupings? Hey, scheme. Was there anything that were making you unsettled with? Were there any kind of divisions based on ama background or something like that?
Too much, bro. Too much. You're not from here. Plus, at that time, you can't even hear what these people are saying.
Well, it was so. Don't forget that Sports Geek with Esponalong Ngobo and the Lebo Dihlag is proudly brought to you by Dihlag Construction and Plant Hire, so as Dihlag Cash Loans. And don't forget, if your bank balance is not a bank balancing too well, to give them a call on 073-956-8647. And Lapana Monas Lapana eating was a construction and plant hire. Lapano Tinga about TLP, Vaterkan, excavators, you name it, you know exactly what to do. Always give them a call on the very same number, which is 073-956-8647. While you're still watching a Sports Geek with Sponsorong Ngobo, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and even better, share the link. Make the circle bigger. Excited
yeah, utobona fela nje batho sebalagara wabona kanti utsiwa wena wabo so lwena you end up laughing. You understand? So there were groups, bro. That one we will never run away from it. Even today, there's still groups. But back then it was difficult because Nuggets was so too fair. The English in such a way because let's get like
English. You learn suit. Period English.
So the English is always suit of a raw suit. Why one of the suit to sell a selumuri? So we had to Rajaste, bro. One Rajaste. So like enough, I was close to Tso. I was very close to Tso Vilagazi because he's the one who gave me the nickname Scoot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because he will just pass it without even looking. What's he right?
Scoot.
Because they end up saying, unamatisa di So yeah, so he gave me that name. Yeah, you know, it was there, but we felt it our local first team. Yeah, first team, that's where you felt or you don't belong here. They will make sure I get a battle bonor span. Yes. Why one in Tonania Chisa, span. So it was divisions, program bara Balabuang speed, Bogal Rapache, Bobo Bull, Andres Bull. I want like in the lane to the saw, and then Zulus and then Kosas, they would have Gumini. So yeah, it was difficult, to be honest, it was tough.
Agent
nix. That time Lena Rukizwagali so get to Hudman when Baraki could film Sueta, Unaspanaco Supersport United.
Okay.
So Kena and are traveling from Kronstadt to Gauteng. So Jorgana communicate Palacios.
Okay.
So Ufikele Fana Troparas. That was it. So go Pirates then none because we were not even getting paid. 4 years that I spent go Pirates, I never got paid. I don't even know if national contract. So when we say
4 years, no contract go Pirates.
I don't know if I had a contract because I didn't have.
Basically, one thing that you know is that you never got paid.
Once you got promoted from the development, you are in the
Surely,
first team.
contract, this got to be there.
Wabona automatically telling yourself, right,
Again.
I'm the product, yeah, Pirates. Now go first team, but to your shock, there is no contract, there is no salary, there's nothing. Wabona, there's only accommodation. There's accommodation, 3 meals a day.
Diaparo.
The tracksuit we are never kaya, but 1 year na ye skip us. Palasho Zipela was greedy guy from Pirates. Kathalene greedy guy from Pirates. Why wanna also logo national team. Go national team under 20 ne. We went to France. We played go France in that tournament. We beat Brazil 1-0.
Yes.
Like Celeste scored the goal. And then we played 2-2 draw against Mexico. Then we lost to France, the host. And then we had to come back. The tracksuit said they never got on. Bani Kujan was the team manager of the under 20 back then.
Yes,
they took them.
How?
They took all, but to my surprise, they only took mine because the Nkantla Kubegas, the Jabupules, I'm not Jabu. Jabu was not in that team. Bonakima Selesele, Nkantla Kubega, Isaac Mabuza, they had them, but mine. So that is why I get figured. Some of the things maybe it's very analsuti. What's about Kanto? So but in Quebec, so yeah.
Still with the Pirates, you showing that very interesting. There are 4 years without a salary. I believe when you got promoted to the senior team, I don't think we won.
You were
7. Yes. So now, just to zoom into that salary thing, ni promotiwe ni group 6 or 7.
Yeah.
What about the other guys? Lebanon promoted now. Were they getting any compensation?
Yeah, they were getting paid because they played. There was Stanley Sibeko. Yes. He's no more now. He's from Witbank.
Yes.
Yeah, he passed on last time. May so rest in peace. It was Stanley Sibeko. It was Pilani Kubega. Pilani, he left to Vietnam.
Yes. There
was Tabang Khatebe, Stemer now. There was Tovila Gazi. There was myself, Tabiso Petlele, and Kalabas Tladi was the goalkeeper from Kronstadt also. But unfortunately, Lena Ola Tola Injaral Mwela Zangasa fall. So those guys, they played. So played. Tabiso Petlele played. Stemer played. All of them, they played. So now
automatically they got paid.
Obviously, you understand that. So I thought I was gonna get paid Lena because I'm
stipending.
No, stipending is still thing. Nearly go reserve. Never sarka nyugune. Never kaya boma nyugunya na rekadia pa. I've been to South because we staying in the clubhouse. You understand? There's 3 meals a day. So never kaya nyugunya 450. 450
per month.
Yeah, a month. So Nyuguela obviously Nikirumela because we understand the situation. You remember I told you where I'm from Lesotho, bro. So Mola Mogulanko Velcom, Warrentium Kukunyana Gola. So I had to the whole 99, 2000, 2000, and I left in the middle of 2001, 2002. That's when I joined Benoni Premier United. So that's how I never got paid. Okay, I promoted to go first team. They increased that 450 to 950. You understand? From 1999 up until I left. Cool. So yes, I was getting that 950. So when we say these things, we get attacked by supporters. They say we're talking bad about their teams. We're not talking bad. We're talking
fact.
Is
what it is.
This is what happened. You understand? This is what happened because you find people are saying, I owe not knowing what you spend 4 years, you were not getting anything. You understand? Because that's how it is, bro. It was like that. Sure. So yeah, go Pirates. It was difficult for me. I'm not saying maybe or I'm bitter. What? No, I'm not bitter. It was difficult.
Considering that Kamga Lesotho, I'll drill on the Lesotho thing. Sure. When we started our conversation, Nino Lebo, you both agreed with Kuraf Lafan Emafting. And I'm sure Zwilling was with Kurafka in Katipa, Kapa Stunya, Kapa Mrian, because there is that thing which called Lesotho, Obabalapan, Bausha Island. So now coming to Orlando Pirates, we are born with him, I'm Tony Chance, Manitosa Maslangan.
Wamuntu
awukazicabanga ukuthi ushaye SOS inyana lapha nelesithu omunye ubaba ombuza omazi mhlawumbe indaba zomuthi, which will also bring me straight to an Orlando Pirates ukuthi considering the background that you had, mina my belief, my understanding, that's what maybe I'm wrong. But I'm now coming to Orlando Pirates 4 years, starting 11. So I was uzame next umakokonyana kuzame nga something whether uSteve Lekwele abantu ama or so vilakazi something ukhona ungena la ku starting 11 Pirates. Man, something man aba Steve Lekwele batomotsileni.
I wanna come into that, Brock. Remember, I was young and I was enjoying myself. Then I told myself, I get a moga favor, I get a moga star. So there were those talks in from Mahodman, but I'm gonna get
more Pirates.
Yeah, Alex of Gerald Rapathe, that hood money, unam frustana blind, unanrata hood money. Yeah, I used to say, I'm gonna get some maumu. Lorna rapela, abulela Gaspay. Yeah, Lorna rapela. You think Uru rapela? Wow, are you a good player? Marokas Jali if.
Yeah,
I understand. You don't.
Just something. Just you might be good, but you have to augment it with something.
Even the chairman, Dr. Ivan Koza, will tell us, if Ekaya, Nicolinenza saw. Hambo Ekaya, you in Toganji. Yeah, Dr. Ivan will tell everyone. Even when he took Jabupule, now Maslangu, he told him the same thing. Even Dr. Ivan will tell you. Mfana get manga bekaya ni champa ma prima stove. Manga bekaya gunzo hamba uyenza into. Ekaya ngoba la phela remember ukuthi kuna abantu ababuya eNigeria la kuna abantu ababuya eMalawi kuna abantu ababuya kuphi sibaningi. You understand? So everybody is protecting himself the way afila ukuthi angakhona ukuprotect angakhona. You understand, bro? So I was naive, young, believing in God. Yeah, ngicela ukuthi mangithandaza njengoba ngifikela lokho ngithandaza. So ngishito tlatsola pele up until kibona ora ai it is not gonna work.
So usakhona Pirates wena ke nge-experience yakho, were there any players or any incidents that you witnessed some players using, I'm not talking about the team now, just individual players baziqinisa ngokwabo using their own
too much.
So the story
I've seen things, bro. I've seen things go Pirates from individual
player
Majida, because we used to stay in one flat Mojozi go Hillbro is called a listed flat. Nagablomara almost all of us. We understand Nagablomara. So yeah, unona lo kopana le ntho tse ding like let's say re blomile ke shapela lebza maybe go rumunya bona ra lo wena se bonelo because ne re share ke shapa round of fitla ka ra so o tlo bona ra wena ke go utla la o kena mola hore mo
go nuka something
kune nto enzakalayo but we've seen those things, so I understand. But if you don't believe in these things, bro, you don't believe in them, I understand. Even if it's bonelo angeza game, because there are so many people that came to me bangitshela ngothi mfethu mina ngakuthatha ngikuyise kuphi, mina ngakuthatha ngikuyise kuphi, ngakuthatha ngikuyise
into isimopelo nyawo
bro, it will never work for you wabo. So azange bro akele plan this is got talent, he gave me this, so why now? Understand why there was a reason for me to travel all the way from Lesotho up until Gauteng. Understand that to be where I am, why Kitwanisi start now to do things that I don't know, things that I've never seen ekaya zenzo. So I just said to myself, my chance will come. Unfortunately, it never came when I was at Pirates.
And then eventually what happened? How did you eventually leave Orlando Pirates and where did you go?
Before I left the Pirates, I was loaned to Avondale Atletico in Cape Town.
Yes.
It was playing go NFD.
Yes.
The coach was Johnny Ferreira.
Yes.
I won't forget that man. Rajima, Tojima, Ubita team meeting, whatever. He told me straight, when you won't make it more Cape Town. I won't make it more Cape Town. Why, coach? You're too skinny. Yeah, you told me, you're too skinny.
Not so.
Yeah, not so. You're too skinny. You won't make it here. Got 2 training sessions. After that, he told me that I'm too skinny. And then I phoned Palacios. I told him, coach, the coach Mo Johnny Ferreira saying, nah, I'm too skinny. I won't make it in Cape Town. So I came back to Josie. They loaned me again to Durban United.
Yes.
It was Lawrence Ngubani's team, and I used to work at Pirates.
Yes, okay. Big Bear.
Yeah, the Big Bear.
Big Bear.
Yes, they loaned me there. The coach was Junior Ngiela.
Yeah, Fred.
Yes.
Yeah, from Amazul Defense.
For sure.
Yes.
Then they loaned me there. So my first game, it was against Avondale Atletico.
Oh.
And then I scored 3 goals.
Hey, but with your skinny body.
With my skinny body.
Marpa luna yang usna contract.
That, you understand these are the things that we neglect as soccer players.
Sure.
You don't know these things. Imagine, I don't know anything, bro. Ball. I don't know anything about any paperwork or whatever. Because azanga radlala ball. And again, azanga wabana le muthu elunguri maybe ula uzokutshela ngalezo zinto lezo mfana kithi kunezinto zakhe. So I met Pirates. Probably I was getting paid. Probably I had a contract because maybe lenyuku le unjenje bekayithatha. You never know. Probably bekayithatha. So because of we don't know these things, you understand. So I was loaned. How? But I don't have a contract.
Exactly.
Okay, I was loaned to Durban United. I was playing, scoring goals.
Basainada.
Yeah. Signed.
Signile.
It was a loan. I don't know Lawrence Ngubane. You know him.
Hey,
you know that man.
From Durban Bushbucks days.
He used to work for Pirates, so I don't know whether I signed or what. I don't know. I can't remember. But I remember I was playing and I was scoring goals. And then 3 months down the line, we were not getting paid. And then again, phone call. Hey, Coach Palacios, we're not getting paid here. Come back. Back to reserve team. Remember, now it was called Yeboyes.
Yes.
Now
The
I was promoted to the first team. Now I'm going back to Yeboyes. I went back Kalala. But ukilabona Majitabo Munalbona, they are playing.
Go first team.
Go first team. Also, you know, Jampilo Kibabanyane from under 19, Bo Joseph Makanya. Abole Remy, straight to first team. Hey, no, the Yaboya. Yakokota, no, 2001. Wabo. Hey, Sabuko Pirates, Mr. Ndlovu. May his soul rest in peace, Elena, the owner of Benoni Premier United. He came go Mayfair. After go Mayfair, he was looking for players because he just bought a team from Mpumalanga. That team was called Sonas Mpumalanga. He bought the team from that side. Then the team relocated to Benoni. So when he came to Mayfair, I was injured. Then he came and selected his players, Tsadibatlam, for the team because he bought a team but he never had players. So he came there, I was injured, he selected his players, they moved to Benoni. Another opportunity I'm fate because now I'm injured. Successfully one cool state. Majita Badala go Pirates, Majita Bang Bavaile Bolala, next season no. Hey, lucky now for Sizoto. Now not for sister, Sizoto cause. May her soul rest in peace, Lena Progare sister, unara Fostana blind. Then I spoke to her sister. I took Poloza Malena Rakupinon. Armaraboti Musloki. Will not sabbi kama bichari loke vile famous kaki musabao TV mutu ukile mo khatara ka re ke lo zama sister ka vala majita ka raso wa kufika raso majita ba jima ka kupa Mr. Ndlovu ka kupa ujima lena ngisheba athe ndoda yalazi uyalazi ndoda ngithe the time uzile lapha yana bengilimele ngicela ungayi chance wangayi chance bona program from that day wangithatha bengihlala kwakhe Bedford View. Just imagine out of Lamachita mina wangithatha bengihlala kwakhe Bedford View nefuru yakhe nefamily. Ngoba botenga mangamaga.
Uja breakfast ka digawu.
Mamela bro.
Opere gawu.
Ka training session e1 look.
Training session e1.
Karenix.
Ay Tumizulu bekathanda ukuthi Tumizulu manje mina bengazi ukuthi yini Tumizulu. Mangilibamba ay Tumizulu. So bengibona ukuthi like reaction yakhe ukuthi lo muntu lo uyangifila. Uyangifila. Yabona. Then
Leno ka tshela pepere.
Then bona
accelerate.
Then ngoba mnate ku Benoni.
Yano le pepper.
Le pepper then akufika ku Benoni ke low. Nna ke tseba ile low. Ke sorry ko Parktown I was told hore no go lonela ku Benoni. No ke a chisa ku Benoni. Ke a kora against Pirates. Wa bona. Ke go PSL. Ke a kora against Pirates. Bampatla back.
Pirates.
Yeah, Pirates, they want me back now. Or a player no must come. No boots no fun. Now he can play. And Luvan said Pampirara, and I bought this man. I bought him from Pirates.
That's right.
Nobody, Dr. Ivan didn't know. Kimang Ricky things, his Zota didn't know. Even on my article the other time, Kaladuma, I said it, I'm still saying it literally. They never knew who sold me to Benoni United. Because that's what they told me. But Ndlovu had my clearance from Orlando Pirates.
Kimang
Kimanga upatetse mang who gave him the clearance back then.
Price tag ke bokae?
I don't-
Also for wa una le se
Price tag ke bokae?
Wam-
And Ndlovu una choma akatli wena windawo wena uyidlala wena ngikuthengile bangabathatha bonke lapho na uyindawo uyabona le
Sure.
so that's how I stayed ko Benoni for 7 years.
Sure.
Yeah,
then o go no o ja moputso wa no.
but you why
Ka. Yes,
What do you mean?
good.
there's no money, bro. We're not getting-
Ngenyana or
How
It was-
to
the contract was saying my monthly salary
Eh.
3,000 rand. Ne, back there 3,000 rand.
Sure.
There was no signing on fee
Eh.
because the team was co NFD.
Sure.
Salary ke 3,000 rand. Okay, sharp. I want to play. I ke idlalla na go NFD, then we got promotion abo. Ke idlalla nna mole sna taba salary ke dula Bedford View ha boss. Ke a ja
O go cheesy.
o mbaetse koloi. O mbaetse Civic VTEC.
wena.
E phela na le petrol.
Tudo.
Tudo gona ya VTEC. Let's number but capela papo. Ay.
Mama ke.
Siyathatha yabona dinto di mna.
Eh.
Mara khodi ha ifela there's no money. Mayibona.
Le 3 blocks like it.
Sometimes wayithola, sometimes awuyitholi, sometimes wayithola, sometimes awuyitholi. Una lo fita 3 months in a row not
Usadu.
paid. Yeah.
Go na le skute ke batla go botsana. O no na le bank card man. Bank account.
Yeah, bank account in the thing ko Standard Bank. Yeah.
Mara go na le
Ko Benoni. Yeah, ina na lo kena sometimes.
allowance nyana.
Inyuku nyane ya ko Benoni na lo kena bro ka mbona ina na lo kena but ine sele de yela go nka ilwanela that much
Because of sharp.
you understand the grand ne le ko high.
Wo hlokometse.
Yeah, akere Mr Ndlovu man. Ko dla dino le du batla 1,000 rand. Una ngaya ke romela maoledi wa ibona rena so taba tsela tsa bo dinyuku ne di se
Too much.
up until phela we getting old wa bona
Ya no-
getting old
Wa hlalefa.
we getting old hey man 7 years damn it ke na le civic e fele a dina fokolo me ke di mana se fela go ba
Cell phone.
and the worst part e utlwisa mbohloko vie this man Mr Ndlovu
Sure.
we went go high go Velcom lo bona go diploma go teng because na mfrosta re fitla ra so bona the conditions wa di sharp then ga tla le oledi bro ka reviewer matlala reviewer
Joburg.
yeah go Benoni go Crystal Park ke ile lala ho ba wa lala
Go baila o lela.
yeah o baila nice ke baila maoledi
Eh.
ba wa lala the lala thing was 750,000 next ba lala le pailo cash that is why go chela ke re wa bona dinto tse re sa di fosterning
Sure.
di a khutla di recovered
Mm.
wa bona in a long run 750 lala le pailwe ba re le pailwa o le laka okay was I to find out aneng gore le lala le
Give
pailwe?
Benoni Premier.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's-
Yeah, the boss ke tlo find out ka 2006
Mm.
gore le lala le pailwe 2004 e le lala laka you understand and then o le laka ha dule la 2004 5 ke tlo tseba 2006 ha sa baisa team kona ntshala ngore wa tseba o ne ndlo lapha ne Crystal Park you understand ha o ngine ndlo Crystal Park ayingiya lapha mangifika lapha ngithola kunabantu abahlalayo lapha bapatala rent labantu bapatala rent kubani they're not paying rent to me who are they paying rent to and frustana so 2006 se ke thola di letter tse ka tse tswang go di bankeng gore
Wa kolota.
ya jeo wa kolota ya very possessive the house that I never stayed in the house that I don't know anything about
2004.
the house was bought in 2004 now I only knew 2006 that I had a house in Crystal Park that is why
O ke kana go start go Benoni.
ko Benoni ke started 2001 2002 wa e bona
Sure.
ba mbaela koloi
Eh.
ka bana le koloi 2002 3 we went home a bona mo di living conditions tsa
2,
go
4.
high yeah
Kap-
and then already azwakala reviewer and then the house is there is sport kiaka but my mom still staying go Velcom the same place you understand le nna ke sampaneng ke dula ko ha boss but I've got a house that I don't know about
2006.
then 2006 aba baisa team to Durban.
Yes.
That's when I found out ke le go Durban ke tswa gymming go fleteng go ke plomang go fihla envelope ngwe brown e pampiri tse dintse ka
Skolot.
ke kolota tšhelete ngwe ngata bo yer
How to
ngata bona wa yes lives wala khamfuta tsaba o bona no waksa ebile I don't even feel emotional ka ka lentse because I cried bro I cried it's in the past I moved on because I referred back when I was still young or you have to accept there are so many things that I've accepted when I was still young. Man, let me just grow out of this. And they auctioned the house, and then I had to pay the balance. You understand? So I paid the balance.
So how come balance?
Into akayazi azangihlale kuyo.
Balance nawe khafa uyavaya uvuya.
Ivayile ngikho sebebhayisitse.
Iyavaya.
Bayibhayisitse ka because that house it was 750,000. Abanjwethu abari bayibhayisitse ka 380,000. So I had to pay balance early. You understand? So lucky enough mfethu, my wife now, she was my girlfriend there. You understand? So we sat down together because the time I sent my girlfriend. She was my girlfriend. Ngathi ngicela ukhipha labantu abahlala lapha ngoba mina ngibazi bathi nginendlu eaddress ni so. Ngicela uye lapho uhamba nabo bakhe umzulu phela fro yami. Avale.
Oh, that's all blind so. Hayi uta slingo manje hayi.
Ngingikathi sakhe.
Hamba kuphela.
Then avale le makhudimana ayi2. Bayaraso bafika abantu abathu baleraso. Kanti it's too late bro. It's too late. The house kanti sirekisitswe se auctioniwe. So I had to keep patale idlala lelo yabona. So that's the arrangement the Standard Bank, then I had to patale khanyana. The house that I never stayed in. My mom suffered big time, but I had a house. So it was sad.
Yeah, no,
it was very sad because Mr. Ndlovu even passed away. So angakangitshela ukuthi what happened. I understand for sure what happened. So ukba ignorant, not to follow up things. The end up at Kawata in return. So that's why I'm saying my 7 years I left with nothing known except Mbainas and Dikoloto.
But happily, another thing, Mona, I can't say much that you can fault yourself, Scooter, because this was just something that is uncalled for.
Yeah, for sure.
Because Mona, no ropi.
And I don't remember me signing papers saying this is your house.
I understand.
Yeah, I understand. Because the Pampiritan Park, I've got properties now. So I've seen those papers holding at as one.
You have to sign.
You understand? You have to sign. That's what will khata. Why understand work? So it was like tough for not to understand why this is happening. Is because of it's also one of those things. That part, but it's life. You gotta accept and move on.
Just to look at those incidents, going back to Orlando Pirates, almost 4 or 5 years. I can't say you were ripped off Orlando Pirates for 4 years without getting a salary, without having a contract or Yazio. Beyond Premier United, they bought a house, another 7 years, went down the drain for sweet nothing.
And now I'm 30-something.
And to make it worse, beyond Premier United, you said with debt, which you had nothing to do with it. So if now, if you were to give an advice to the upcoming soccer players, what advice would you say, considering those mishaps that you had, the way you were ripped off, 450, that was genuine rip off. As good as a scam, especially in. What advice would you say to the upcoming players?
The only thing that I can say to Emajite and Gore, they must know these things. They must know these things, bro. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is key. You understand? I don't care about your educational background or whatsoever. There are things that people that are educated, they don't know about. Exactly. You understand? So, knowledge, know things. Be involved. Let's stop being ignorant. You understand? Because ignorance is coward.
Be streetwise.
Balance scale. Ask questions. So that dintho tsa hao di khone ho di be sharp. Understand? So yeah, that's all that I can say to them. You have to be hands on.
So mandaiswa ke Durban ePinon Premier United nibe ifena bayini
Thunderwell Zoo.
Yeah. So that's how you found yourself Thunderwell Zoo. So khona ke kwahamba kanjani? Any contract? Did you have any professional treatment lapho eventually for let's hope for a change.
Ipinoni mayithengiswa ke mayithengiswa ipinoni Durban. We were told in a training session by Mr. Ndlovu.
Yes.
Tonight we were going to training. And then he came and then he said, gentlemen, bas susa somke. And at that time, he hired Steve Rombel.
Yes.
Steve Rombel was supposed to be our coach. As busy lapana somke. Makafika lapana matota. I have sold the team. Just like that. And Mina that time I still had 2 more years
The contract.
on my contract. Yes. Wabo. Okay, sharp. The team has been sold. Then that's when I sat down. I said, no, ngiyahamba. And then he said on that deal, July Mahlangu, Katlaoloke, Tsepo Masilela, Bennett Parker, Thabo Mabaso, Tsepo Mashish, you're not part of the deal.
Yeah, Royal Thunderbirds.
Yes. Yeah. The same.
Yeah.
You guys are not part of the deal. I'm not part of the deal.
The assets tsa gagwe.
You understand? Okay, this man sold the team. So kodula jwang mo e le hore kodula jwang mo e le hore ha sana team. Then I left. I went with the team. That's how I left with the team to Durban, and that's where Proaga, in that space of 3 years, that's where things came right for me.
Go Thunderbirds.
Yeah.
And so your stake with Thunderbirds Zulu was beat better as compared to
that was perfect. It was like that team. The team manager then he used to be my fan when I was playing for Benin United. So bekamthanda lamjita ungiphile imali bro, I don't wanna lie. Lamjita lona wathi mfethu bhala phansi ukuthi undlovu kolota malini, because the first payment bamnikeza ngithi Benin wethengisa 50 million bamnikeze 25. Athi before somnika le 25 sifuna ukudictate imali akolota yona. You understand?
Sure.
That's where I recovered most of it. Yes. Then ngakuphala phansi unkolotisa ngonfee manje sengiya-add manje unkolotisa salary yawo ma 6 months benginongakholi for yabona nga-add ngaphala then they paid me. Then that's when I bought my house go Midrand, and thanks to God mfethu I managed nalefro we bought the house cash. Because now I'm 30 something years. Diski afela. So after football, rather heavy shelter. Rather heavy shelter than Koloi. So I bought my house cash.
Where is that?
In Midrand.
Midrand, okay.
Yeah, in Clayville, Oliphant somewhere. Yeah. I bought my house there, and then the things started there. Go Thunderbirds.
You're saying some things in life, people can rip you off.
Yeah.
But there's a way of God that we will reward you.
For sure.
For sure. And then eventually, now you own a property which is yours. This is mine.
I signed those papers.
This office.
I signed those papers. Yeah. So go Thunderbirds Zulu program. That's where Nyugu was there. Yeah, everybody feel it.
Nelly Mangboss.
Nelmachita Baba overseas. The team was bought by Sven Eriksson. He used to coach the Finland national team.
Go.
From Sweden.
I think he passed away 2 years back.
Yes.
Cancer.
So that's where you never
Well, to see.
Too much. And now especially now from Tabani, Ola Khokofala, she may soul and rest in peace. That guy Proaga Nangaza. Or when I nearly Hudiela Yadi signing on fees. Boscarango Beze, about Toladi, the signing on fee, Bosejoa, Bopitan Lovu, Unankenya Lenara. Yeah, Unankenya, born a Proaga. 3 years expended. Year Nankar expended.
No Patalana way.
Nankar expended 10 years.
No Patalana way.
I was almost 2 million.
Yeah,
only 750,000. Even a scooter shot 250 millionaire. So yeah.
Like they always say, every dog has its day. It's like they always say, when Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. Besides being ripped off lapha ko Orlando Pirates, go Benin Premier United, eventually got Thunderbirds Zulu. Delatizo uNkulunkulu managed to reward him for all the land ama mishap ayenzakalile empilweni yakhe. Wakhona ukuthi wiped his tears. Wakhona na ukuthi I enjoy ukuthi exactly what is meant by playing professional football in South Africa. That's where you got to enjoy ukuthi feel ukuthi you are a professional player.
For sure. Even nama-dress code ubobona ukuthi yabona la overseas
pre-match meal ama-pre-match meal
awufihla ko-gymming in the morning uja breakfast ko-training hona la batho ba preparang all those things. We understand? Where you eat, how other players they won't eat. Awufihla ko-gymming before you train breakfast.
Healthy breakfast.
We understand? After training there's lunch. Ask Tabiso Ramile Proaga.
Sure.
Tabiso will tell you because he was my teammate Kotanda, and they even stole my cards Amakayo. Tabiso,
Stole your car.
Yeah, they stole my car, Thabiso, left with my car, camping, and then got a team in Ranava, Unasio Mutimi, a team in Vanavaga Transi, Naga camping, and then phone up see you camping. Hello, Dallas Silver Stars. Was surprise Murir. We see you, Thabiso phone again. The Kitty.
Uga not west. I hope it was not.
Whatever, Nagasimona,
Okay, na go mash. Umlazi.
That's a colleague.
I said it's stolen now.
Stolen, that Civic was stolen. But, yeah, that VTEC. But you said and then it was never recovered. Yeah, it was recovered. But then this boy was Erickson, Johan.
Yeah.
Ampona was saying a breakfast or I'm not okay. Because what's even not I get up a number. Then he came and asked him, and then what is the problem? Kim Chailagrish. I received a call at night or my car has been stolen. And then the only thing that he said to me, said, look, go and score a goal for me, I'll buy you a car.
I went, nah.
That's what he said to me. And then I went to Kwamashu Stadium, Princess Mokoko, Kashapa Netera winner 1-0, Reja Silver Stars 1-0. Monday, 7 out here and pizza coffee scene.
So far.
Africa so that man African guys are gipaila 83 pro aka brand new.
Hala.
Ke shapo ke VTEC.
Ke shapo ke VTEC. Gipaila Audi A3. Ke ba monate.
Ya no re mo Ramza ya no.
Ke o thakela ka mtshela ka these things they do happen. Maybe nna ngabe ke podile or what mfethu ngase re wa nkolota whatsoever. Into wa tseba batho ba tla rai. Thabiso mela guy something wa understand. Wa bona ibile ntho e wa re bona mfethu today azange you move on bro aka accept. You move on.
So surely
but if it was me maybe something bad in it. So they took the car, man. We'll get a bon. I got the
and
better
you got a better one.
I got the better one. I got the better one.
Pelo ya one is.
Sure.
You bless her.
For sure, bro.
Because
Obamba Makru.
You've got a pure heart.
Why Millicent's
exactly. You've got a pure heart. And Mudimu always repays you.
We understand. Because serious, if ever having him tati guy, we would have you so need to have you young color. And young Alaband Lava show. Ya color. Why we can bang him to keep soup nan. Uyabona ukuthi ngabe ngikuphi ngihleli inhliziyo ebuhlungu omnye umntwana into zakhe nayasihlangani ngapha hayi then you accept bro you move on you move on
considering your stay sakho lapha na Thanda Royal Zulu surely it goes without saying that was your best stay out of all the teams and then anything and everything surely I mean that was the treatment of your life that you got Thanda Royal Zulu obviously money wise and then I believe you eventually left it Thanda Royal Zulu and waya kumjomani how did that happen uthole kanjani suku
umjomani ongithole khona ukuthi contract ambe siphela kuthanda nethanda was ku fast ku number 16 fighting for relegation so and dintone sesakhuliva sharp between me and the coach
was the coach at the time
what is his name this short man he came with them from Sweden
he was foreign
he was the foreign that white guy I even forgot his name because nalena we end up Sersa frustrada no one. So Mjomani afika so we were playing against Sundowns our last game and then I scored the goal and then I was man of the match. That's when Michael Manzini retired because he am tatang pace. Roajika. Aloka.
Manzini was Sundowns right back. Twist and turn.
Brian Roataka Jampisa.
Brian Baloy.
Spider Roataka Jampisa 1-0 tournament of the match. And then Kanti Braje is there, go stadium. And then after that, Pisa Braje, I had offers. I had about 5 offers. Ajax Cape Town, Bloemfontein Celtics, Free State Stars, Maritzburg United, and Wits University. I had offers, but Braje topped all these
offers.
And because of another style of play,
for sure. And Go Cosmos Broga, I had people saying they were not getting paid. Now I don't wanna lie. I wanna Cosmos. Ha ona khwedi ke lenya fela ke sa thola zala
o fitile o hlaba ka vene
diamond ngaile ko Thanda ngikhola 18,000 18 Cosmos gave me 40,000 rand
Cosmos 40,000 Cosmos
but sending on fee wathi undo angaya but it's fine
awu hlaba ka vene
azanga azanga ngaya sending on fee was supposed to be 450,000 I never got it. How not bro? Once of thing or whatever, quarterly the way they were doing it, but the salary a month. So I was getting my monthly salary. In Twinken work Vigo Cosmos, it's the way how he does things. Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
Remember, I should have taken the offer as a Cape Town Ajax. I could have taken off as a Bloemfontein,
Yeah, Wits.
but I wanted to come to Jozi and be with my family.
Yes.
I have a wife, I have kids. I wanted to be around them. But then you're joining a team where there's no off. Monday to Monday. Le Sunday twice.
Le bana ba sekolo.
Oh, baby, ka mo tlharesere.
Ah, se bana ba sekolo sa nnete. Le bana ba sekolo ba.
Di team tse ke tlhaletseng a sanga sponsors ka. Cosmos. Yo.
The sponsor as team.
As a team. Khapa ka ntho ngwe bro ka kwa se dule mo pela ka.
Ni nokumutsi.
Whoa. The way things were done there, it was not proper. I'm not taking anything away from Patrick. He's a good man. Mamela bro. O bona ba bula pudi me. Ntse tse di mona tla tshwarwa ge se ke ga di bua.
O bula pudi mo hoteleng mo campaign.
You must not mention people's names.
Yes.
Will get
Yeah.
Bona ba hlaba pudi bro ka lla.
Mo camping.
SPCA will arrest you.
No dlala le bo Pirates mo Sundowns next day.
I go to the Pirates. We travel in the morning to Swaziland. We'll travel on a Wednesday morning to Swaziland.
Niya kwinyanga
In the morning here in Swaziland.
Badlala jumpers.
We come back.
Nekwenza umuthi eSwaziland.
Siya for umuthi sibuye.
Ke dlala jumpers
No, dlala weekend.
Like prepare.
But Wednesday ravaya.
Niya kwinyanga eSwaziland.
Yeah. Sivani line up. Ravaya line up.
Young line up with you chaya.
Goalkeeper.
Right back.
Left back kanjalo up to first line up. Ravaya kamapuni. Resala numrao. Rajampa.
Oh, they can
Rajampa me bra. Rajampa mole rajampa ngwaneso rajampa, then we come back refihle even we chief zero par.
Awu bani. That's for interest's sake. Talking of that activity and all of that, where all the players, African or what? Where am I going with this? I want to find out if there were any white players, colored players.
Yeah, there was.
So I wanted to find out were they complying with all those.
Yeah, there was this white boy. He was
Paul Evans, not
Paul Evans. This guy what is this boy's name? In the middle. Another white guy, Aliwan.
Not Tony Kaitana, I don't think.
No. This white boy, yeah, he was that. Yeah, the guy, he was only.
No, he was complying.
Yeah, he was complying. But that's where you see these things. We doing these things for the boss, not for us.
Ke simase sivala nje ke sibheke yona laphana eJomo Cosmos umlando wayo. Siyakhuluma uJomo Cosmos at some stage they produced a lot of quality players, top-notch players, especially for the national team. Abo Philemon Masinga, Eugene Zwane, Sizwe Mdawu, Ngomncwango, you did mention Umncwango. They had a lot of quality players. Obolinda Buthelezi, they unearthed all those players. Fast forward to 2025, Jomo Cosmos, with all that rich history, now they produce such top-notch players for the national team. I believe that in the third tier of football in South Africa. If you were to give advice to Jomo Cosmos for them to come back to be their Jomo Cosmos that we all grew up knowing and appreciating, the Jomo Cosmos, Yabo Philemon Masinga and all of that. What advice would you give Wuti Cosmos? They must do things this way to stand a chance of coming back to be the Cosmos that we grew up knowing, Yabo, Coach Abo Roy Matthews and stuff.
So, Broga, the only thing that I can say, Corey, they must do things differently. They must do things the modern way. The way things are happening, let people but take you over. You've done your part, bro. I don't understand. But who am I to tell the professor? I don't understand. Yes. So the only thing that I can say is just do things.
Adapt. With that thing.
Yeah, I understand.
Move with times.
Move with times, bro. I understand.
Professionalism.
For sure. Professionalism. You said it one. So professionalism. It can revive that name, but who am I to give such person advice. I don't even have the coaching badges.
Yeah.
I don't have those things, and I don't even want to be there. I don't want to be there. That is why I relocated back home to Lesotho. Ngwaneso. I relocated back home to Lesotho. It's a bolo thing when I'm
So it's really much.
I get sharp, ngwaneso. Get sharp because there's too much jealous, and about two are jealous. They are these people. They've been around. They must let others take over.
Sure.
Understand? They must let others take over. They must stop or ba kwalle batho ditsela bro ba kwalle di channel unnecessary. Understand? Open doors for Majita mfethu baspan bana le di badges. Understand?
Sure.
Those who deserve to be there, not just because of Keloke played football then o tshwanetse be da. Understand? And come Majita le bona fela. There's so many things to do except coaching. Everybody wants to coach. Everyone wants to go. There's admin. There's so many things that we can do. Understand? So Majita tshwanetse nje ba bule dikelello tsa bona fela ba be exposed to things. So people will say why I went back home to Lesotho where I said there was poverty. Things Lesotho is developing. Yeah, if Gauteng is difficult now, you gotta go back home and recover. So I'm recovering at home.
Which takes me straight to our last question. You spoke about players evolving and adapting.
Yeah.
We take me straight to Katlego Loke njengamanje. What are you busy with? Wenzanje
No, to be quite honest, when I spoke question you in the Mbora blind before. I want that question. Yora manje wenzani mfethu hla ukufana umuntu wena. Mina ngithi mfethu ngila strategy. Yabona? Ngimo strategy mu kuyazola. Wabona? So what I can say, even now, Proaga, to answer your question, I'm still hustling, and I've got kids, so I go where work is. Yes. So right now, full time call Soto, Maseru. Remember I told you it's a mafte. No Maseru. Yeah, the Maseru da so only the opportunities Proaga. So somebody ngizama ore at least bophelo bo bontsha bote. Understand what because so far so good. I can't complain. So far so good. Things are getting better. Bana ba ja bana ba kena sekolo. I'm getting paid till not tshwana bana ba bang ka letsatsi leo. I want. So that's all that I can say ore bafethu are zaming other means tsa bophelo. Understand? Are zaming other means tsa bophelo. Re tlo complain about it because we can't change. If we cannot change this game, then find something.
Yeah, no.
Because it's unfair go tlo dula hiso unto o complain or Peter. You end up saying things ka it's a bad ka bana ba bang. Understand?
And now it's next.
And now it's for call stand up. It's tough. Yes, it is tough for all of us. Exactly. It's tough for all of us, bro. Understand? And then the other thing that I can say about it, opportunities so.
You touched a very good point. With opportunities like this, because you never know who's watching. For sure. You never know good yes.
Sure,
which takes me back to the days Bloemfontein Young Tigers, our director he always told us whether it's a friendly match or whatever it is, give it your best.
Sure.
Because you never know, there might be Jomoso and there might be Mtaonga on the grandstands watching, and when here you are with a friendly game nonsense, and then that opportunity and then which takes me straight to go to since Oshil you never know who's watching. Let's say there is maybe someone who's watching who's got some strong financial muscle or whatever the case is, a better offer for Katlego Loke. How does one get in touch with Katlego Loke?
Katlego Loke has got the academy.
Yes.
But right now it's still on hold. KSL Academy. I formed it when I was
where is South Africa or
yeah, no, here.
South Africa.
In Midrand, Clayville.
What's the name of the
KSL Academy?
Yes.
Meaning KSL, meaning Katlego Scooter Loke Academy. Yeah. And also I have a foundation, Katlego Loke Foundation.
Yes.
So I've been giving back from while I was still playing, because the academy I built it when I was still playing.
Yes.
So it was on hold because of the sponsors are not there, all these things. So the foundation, I used to donate body sanitary towels for girls, school shoes, all those things. So to get a hold of me, I only have Mtato Pela, the WhatsApp. Yeah. Or the Facebook, I get Spanish. I didn't see. So yeah, that's untolerable. I go Spanish le WhatsApp fela. So that's what I do. ngwaneso.
Talking of WhatsApp or bakubamba ngocingo kuphela, so my question is, are you comfortable to share those numbers?
Yes, I don't have a problem.
If you are, sure.
Yeah, no, I don't have a problem. My numbers are 067 152 9150.
I'll pin.
067 152 9150. So if there's someone who wants to help,
Get in touch
they
now.
can get in touch lapho program so that we can help others. So wherever I'm from, I've been helped from Lesotho up until here.
Yes.
I'm still getting help from people like you guys. You understand? Whether it's external or internal, but we do getting help from people like Lebza, Loena Sponel, Majita. Where we can. Let's stop. I understand that, because it is very difficult. We don't know that person what is going through, and then Rona, we busy booing or laughing at that person, whereas we don't know what happened. I understand. Sometimes they will say Sponelo is getting 100,000 a month, not knowing the people that you're supporting with that money. I understand.
Yes.
Because 10 blacks, we pay in black tax left, right, and center. Batla ubulela ka ngwana umtshana wakho uhlala kuphi, azange uhlangane nabazali bakhe, azange ubabone lebatswali baye bathi uhlala kuphi umama wakhe washona sicela umbhadalele what you understand those things. People, they don't know these things. So yeah.
Okay, asibonge kakhulu lapha na kuyona insizwa Katlego Scooter lonke ubuyena obesivakashela. Ngasho ukuthi nje nami isinto eningi engisifundile la kuyona lensizwa mawuthi umzwile lapha enoLebza uke wadwela lapha, he drilled in lapha kuyona inhliziyo yayo insizwa lapha uKatlego Scooter. Look, I don't understand how did he manage to get over these things, lama hurdles la wadlule kuwona. Kumsizile ukuthi lapha abe nenhliziyo elula ekwazi ukuthi dedele, get over things, move on and embrace life as it is. Kubamba amaqhubu lapha one of thing engitholekile ukuthi sengathi akanawo umona lapha. Lokho kuchaza ukuthini, I've seen a lot of people who are jealous, and most of the time they do not get anywhere in life. People like aboloko abahlale bededela inhliziyo bamukela ama situation as they are, they always go further, and I believe that's one of the things that has assisted our studio guest uScooter lapha ukuthi aqhubeke and still blossom the way he is still blossoming. Siyambona namanje, I'm sure Shama makeup or shine is shining lapha.
And I'm 46 years.
46 years?
Yeah.
You're cheating me, when
46 years old.
46 years and
married for 20 years. Nginabantwana bayi-8 ngiyadlala.
Off the camera, I want your recipe. What are you having for breakfast? What keeps you in this shape? I want that recipe. 46?
Yeah, I'm 46.
Nah, look, no, that doesn't make sense. At my age, I'm going to not believe. That's how we come to an end for our discussion with insizwa lapha Katlego Scooter. Look, esibonga kakhulu babanga lapha ngokuzivakashela.
Kubonga mina sibonga mfethu, bonga mina Lebza.
Thank you, man.
Uthiyami kwamura ngibonga mina kakhulu bafana.
Lebza.
Scooter.
Maniso.
Wayithi. Sibhizi ngeproject ake.
Are busy ka project.
Or
And the project must grow, bro.
One first.
Yeah.
But the next time I will part 2. Bora basibonelo something different.
Different. Wenza njengamanje.
For sure.
Wayibona.
That is why there are things elungwakabua ka tsona. So but what I can say mfana big ups mfethu for go kopanya mauti. Well, I understand. Big ups to you ngwana mme. Ka re modimo ka wekeletsa. Project
makusho wena lokho ukuthi ukhulu ambheke. Ngiyathemba the way manje lento ngilale
project khulu kunama legend lapha. Noma Mr Cool lapha sawuza wena.
Asibonga kakhulu kwethu ngokusiboleka indlebe. Thank you very much for allowing us in your space. We definitely do not take it for granted. We fully appreciate your time and everything that you have given us, the support that you are getting on social media, the engagement and everything. We really appreciate it. That's how we come to an end of our today's episode. Till then, let's do this again here on Sports Kick with Spanel Ngobo and Lebo Dihlake. Till then, it is bye-bye.
Bye.